How to schedule a live action on Whatnot. Hey everybody. If you'd like to schedule a live action on Whatnot, first of all, you need to schedule a show. So for that, go to Whatnot application, open it up on your screen and go to the Seller Hub. Tap on your account for that and this opens up. And then once you open it up, you will be finding this interface on your screen. So look out for the plus option at the very top right corner of your screen. And once you tap on it, you will be finding different options. You can look out for the option called schedule a live show. So you can just go and tap on it. And once you do so, you need to fill in the details. So here you need to provide some titles, your description, your moderators, your date and time. And optional videos are providing a thumbnail, review video, moderators, tags, shipping settings, content settings, etc. So just go and provide the details when you would like to schedule your live show. After that, you can provide in a thumbnail or even a review video and select a few categories. And once that is done, you can just go and look out for the schedule option. Just go ahead and tap on it. And once you do so, you will be finding option that the show starts in this. And you can tap on start show once the time reaches. And you can just go over to the live and start of the live auction on your Whatnot application. So this is how you do it. You can start your schedule show, navigate to the store icon during your live stream and select the item that you want to auction and start the auction and monitor beats and interact with viewers. So that's it for today's video. I hope this information was helpful to you. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.